In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock media from Google Vids library. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video, or any digital content, having the right visual elements can significantly enhance the appeal and effectiveness of your work. Google's Vids library offers a rich collection of stock media that can be a game changer for your projects. Let's dive into the steps on how you can seamlessly integrate these resources into your creations. The journey begins by navigating to the Google Vids website. It is a hub where numerous digital assets are readily available at your fingertips. Once you're on the site, the immediate next step is to gain access by signing in. Look around and you'll spot the sign in option. Click on it to proceed. This step is crucial because it grants you access to a wider range of features and media that Google Vids has to offer. After clicking sign in, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. This selection is key as it determines the workspace or library you'll be operating in. If you're using this for personal purposes, you'd likely select your personal Google account. On the other hand, for professional or educational endeavors, you might choose an account associated with your organization or institution. Pick the account that aligns with your project's needs. With access secured and the right account in place, it's time to dive into the heart of Google Vids. Your destination is the right panel of the interface, an area teeming with tools and options. Navigating here is straightforward, and once you arrive, the real fun begins. Your next action is to click on Stock Media. This simple click is like opening a treasure chest. You're greeted with an array of high-quality images, videos, and more. The diversity and quality of media available here are truly impressive, and likely you'll find the perfect piece to complement your project. Now you're at the most exciting part, choosing your stock media. This is where your creativity really comes into play. You can browse through the collection, use search filters, or type in keywords to narrow down the vast selection. Whether you're looking for a serene landscape, a bustling cityscape, or anything in between, you're sure to find images or video clips that meet your needs. Once you've found the media that perfectly matches your project's theme or message, the rest is a breeze. Incorporate it into your work, adjust as necessary, and voila, you've elevated your project with professional, eye-catching visuals without breaking a sweat. Throughout this process, remember that the key to effective utilization of stock media lies not just in selection, but also in how seamlessly it integrates with your content. Take the time to ensure that the media aligns not just visually, but also in tone and messaging with your project. Moreover, while Google Vids provides a wealth of options, maintaining a clear, focused vision for your project will guide you in selecting the most appropriate media. A few additional tips to keep in mind: be mindful of the size and format of the media you choose. Ensure that they're compatible with your project's platform and intended use. Also consider the mood and emotions you wish to evoke in your audience. The right visual can significantly impact viewer engagement and response. In summary, leveraging Google Vids stock media library can significantly enhance your digital projects, providing them with a polished, professional look. By following the steps we've discussed, from signing in to selecting the right stock media, you're well on your way to creating captivating, visually striking content. Remember, the perfect piece of media can transform your project from good to exceptional. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your workflow, you'll not only save time, but also elevate the quality of your projects. Dive in, explore, and let your creativity flourish with the vast resources available at Google Vids.